Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Mrs. Bandu's Math Movies. This is a video for Course 2, Lesson 4-6, Solving Two-Step Equations. Here we will be solving two-step equations using inverse operations. Okay, so basically, when we're talking about this, one of the two operations is multiplication or division. The other is addition or subtraction. Generally, we're going to undo this in the reverse order of operations. Okay, so reverse order of operations. So what that means is that we will undo any addition or subtraction first, and then undo any multiplication or division. Okay, let's just get right into it. So we have 6r minus 19 equals 41. So the first thing I want to do is undo the addition of subtraction of 19, I beg your pardon. So this just says subtraction right here. To undo subtraction, add 19 in this case to each side. So here's the 19, here's the 19. Remember, our work, it might be slightly modified. I'll show you a slightly modified version in class, but anyway. When you subtract 19 and add 19, everything zeroes out here except for the 6r, so I bring down the 6r. Have to do the math here. 41 plus 19 is 60. So now I simplify this to 6 times r equals 60. So to undo multiplication, I'm going to divide each side by 6. So I'm going to have my divide bar here, and then 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1r, so I just simply write r. 60 divided by 6 is 10. So r is equal to 10. Check your solution within the original equation. So I'm going to substitute in 10 for r. So 6 times 10 minus 19. I want to know, does that give me 41? 6 times 10 is 60. 60 minus 19 is 41. You need to double check yourself. Go off to the side and do that. So our solution checks. Again, to check any of these, don't freak out. You just take the answer you get, put it back into the original equation, and test it out. Next one, we're going to be undoing addition first. We have a over 5 plus 4 equals 10. So we have division and we have addition. To undo the addition, we are going to now subtract 4 from each side. So I'm going to put a minus and a minus because they've already set some of this up for me. Oh, my apologies. Got to scoot down. Okay, so plus 4 minus 4 zeroes out. So I'm left with a over 5, which means a divided by 5, by the way. 10 minus 4 is 6. To undo division, multiply each side by, each side's being divided by 5, so to undo that, we're going to multiply each side by 5. If you want to write that 5 over 1, you can. You don't have to. The 5s will cross cancel, and you're left with a over 1, which simplifies to a. 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, again, you could do a check. It didn't ask you to here, but I'll do a quick one. So I'm going to substitute in 30 divided by 5 plus 4 should give me 10. 30 divided by 5 is 6 plus 4 equals 10. It checks. Okay, next side. Solving two-step equations. An amusement park charges $15 for admission and then 50 cents for each ride. You spend a total of $27. How many rides did you go on? Okay, so basically you don't know how many rides you go on, but you know that each ride is 50 cents. So let's say we have the amount for each ride times the number of rides, which we'll let be n, plus the admission. I probably should have put a word in here, okay? So this is the cost per ride, okay? So my numbers then are going to be 50 cents times N plus the admission fee of $15 is equal to the total of $27 that was spent. So this gives me 0.5N or 0.50. You don't really need the zero in the work, but if you have it, that's fine. Plus 15 is going to give me 27. So 0.5 plus 15. Now to solve, I'm going to subtract 15 from each side. So here it is, subtract from each side. Here, that's going to leave 0.5N. Oh, they left the zero. I should have left it. If you didn't, it's fine. And 27 minus 15 is 12. Now you'll divide each side by 0.50 or 0.5. 12 divided by 0.5 is going to give you 24. So you went on 24 rides. That means your correct answer choice from above is choice C. Again, to get the 24, you're going to take 12 divided by 0.5 or 0.50. Don't forget your rules for dividing with decimals. Please have the quick checks completed. Bring those in along with any other questions you have. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye now.